Hi, and welcome back to our channel. I've been thinking recently that you may be getting the wrong idea about why we should bother with making more money, or what I mean by building real wealth. I think it's important to share with you what real wealth means to me. It is absolutely not just having abundant money. To me, wealth encompasses a lot more than just having lots of cash piling up around you. It includes a range of qualities and resources that contribute to a fulfilling and abundant life. Here are some qualities that comprise real wealth beyond just having lots of money. Number 1, I believe that good physical and mental health may be the most valuable assets we can have. Having vitality, energy, and well-being enables us to enjoy life fully and pursue our goals. Maintaining both physical and mental health is crucial for overall well-being and quality of life. It seriously doesn't matter if you have millions of dollars but don't have the good health to enjoy it. Here's why it is important, and some strategies to promote physical and mental well-being. Let's talk about physical health first. Physical health is essential for performing daily activities, pursuing goals, and enjoying life. It affects energy levels, productivity, and longevity. Regular exercise is crucial for physical health. I encourage you to engage in activities you enjoy, such as walking, running, swimming, or dancing every single day. Aim for a combination of aerobic, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Maintain a balanced diet that focuses first on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, lots of fiber, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and dramatically reduce your consumption of fast foods, processed foods, sugary drinks, and eliminate alcohol completely. Get enough deep sleep to allow your body to rest and rejuvenate. I suggest that you shoot for 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep every single night. It goes without saying that you gotta practice good hygiene, such as regular bathing, hand washing, dental care, and preventive health measures. Visit your doctor for regular checkups, screenings, and preventive care to detect and address any potential health issues. Now let's talk about your mental health. Mental health is crucial for emotional well-being, resilience, and the ability to cope with life's challenges. Prioritize self-care activities that promote your mental well-being, such as practicing mindfulness, engaging in hobbies that you love, spending time in nature, and pursuing activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Build a support system of friends, family, or support groups who can provide emotional support and understanding. Social connections are essential for mental health, and what fun is it if you have all the money in the world but nobody to share it with? Manage your stress effectively by practicing stress reduction techniques, such as prayer, deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in activities that help you unwind. Get serious about your work-life balance and set boundaries to prevent burnout. Make time for activities you enjoy and ensure you have sufficient rest and leisure time. Seek professional help if you're experiencing persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or other mental health concerns. Mental health professionals can provide guidance, therapy, or medication if needed. Remember, maintaining physical and mental health is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and self-care. It's important to listen to your body and mind, prioritize self-care activities, and seek help when needed. By taking care of your physical and mental health, you can enhance your overall well-being and lead a more fulfilling and abundant life. The next area that I alluded to in the last section is relationships. Meaningful connections and strong relationships with family, friends, and loved ones are absolutely invaluable. The support, love, and companionship we receive from these relationships contribute significantly to our experience of abundance and well-being. Loving relationships are important for various reasons, as they contribute to our overall well-being and happiness. Here's why they matter in some ways to create and maintain these valuable connections. First, let's talk about emotional support. Loving relationships provide a support system that offers emotional comfort, empathy, and understanding. Having someone to share joys, sorrows, and life's challenges can help reduce stress, boost resilience, and enhance mental well-being. Relationships foster a sense of belonging and connectedness. They provide a support network where you feel accepted, valued, and appreciated, enhancing feelings of self-worth and identity. Nourishing relationships offer opportunities for personal growth and learning. Interacting with others allows us to gain new perspectives, challenge our beliefs, and develop empathy and communication skills. To create and maintain loving relationships, consider the following. First off, communication. Effective communication is essential for building strong relationships. Practice active listening, express your thoughts and feelings honestly and respectfully, and be open to feedback. Regularly check in with loved ones to understand and respond to their needs and concerns. Dedicate quality time to spend with your loved ones. Engage in activities you both enjoy, have meaningful conversations, and create shared memories. Make an effort to be fully present and attentive during these moments. This might even mean putting your phone away for a while. Show support and care for your loved ones by being there for them during both good and challenging times. Offer encouragement, lend a listening ear, and provide assistance when needed. Small acts of kindness and gestures can go a long way. Establish and honor healthy boundaries in your relationships and ensure mutual respect. Recognize and honor each other's individuality, opinions, and personal space. Practice empathy and seek to understand different perspectives. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship. Learn healthy ways to resolve conflicts, such as active listening, expressing emotions calmly, and finding mutually agreeable solutions. Respectful communication and compromise are key. Express love, appreciation, and gratitude for your loved ones regularly. Acknowledge their contributions, express your love and gratitude, and celebrate their successes. Small gestures of appreciation can strengthen bonds and create a positive atmosphere. Remember, nurturing loving relationships takes time, effort, and commitment from all parties involved. It requires ongoing communication, understanding, and the willingness to prioritize and invest in the relationship. By cultivating and maintaining these important connections, you can experience the joys and benefits of deep, loving relationships in your life. This is a treasure indeed. The next aspect of wealth that I would like to discuss is intellectual wealth. Investing in our education and focusing on continuous learning will broaden our horizons, expand our perspectives, and enable personal and professional growth. Acquiring knowledge and skills empowers us to adapt, succeed, and make a positive impact on the world around us. This means that we can actually leave the world a better place than when we arrived here. Having control over our time and the ability to allocate it according to our priorities is a significant form of wealth. Time for leisure, hobbies, self-care, and pursuing passions adds to the richness of our lives and gives us the time to also focus on making the lives of others around us better too. The next important aspect of wealth is to have a sense of purpose, fulfillment, and self-actualization. This is an essential aspect of wealth. Engaging in meaningful activities, following our passions, and living in alignment with our values all contribute to a rich, meaningful, and satisfying life. Experiencing emotional and spiritual well-being are also valuable forms of wealth. Cultivating inner peace, mindfulness, resilience, and gratitude enhances our overall quality of life and brings a sense of contentment and balance. Having time freedom is a significant aspect of living a wealthy lifestyle because it allows you to have control over how you spend your time, allocated according to your own priorities. Here's why time freedom contributes to your wealthy lifestyle. Number 1. Having time freedom enables you to dedicate ample time to pursue your passions and hobbies. It allows you to engage in activities you love, explore new interests, and foster personal growth. Pursuit of your passions brings a sense of fulfillment and enriches your overall well-being. Having complete time freedom also allows for a healthy work-life balance. It means having the flexibility to spend quality time with your family, friends, and loved ones, nurturing those important relationships and creating lasting memories. Time freedom allows for prioritizing self-care and well-being. You can allocate time for activities like exercise, relaxation, prayer, meditation, or pursuing hobbies that promote mental and physical health. Taking care of yourself fosters resilience, reduces stress, and enhances overall quality of life. Time freedom provides the opportunity to travel and explore the world. You can embark on new adventures, experience different cultures, and create unforgettable memories. Travel broadens your perspectives, encourages personal growth, and enriches your life experiences. Time freedom allows you to engage in activities that make a positive impact on the world. You can dedicate your time to volunteering, community service, or supporting causes you are passionate about. Giving back not only benefits others but also provides you with a sense of fulfillment and profound purpose. Time freedom is an essential component of a wealthy lifestyle because it empowers you to prioritize your passions, achieve work-life balance, invest in personal development, prioritize well-being, explore the world, adapt to change, and contribute to your community. It brings a sense of fulfillment, contentment, and the ability to live life on their own terms. And finally, did I mention that having abundant financial resources is an important facet of enjoying real and lasting wealth? Well, I feel like it is an important part of a holistic vision of what real wealth actually is. But it's not number one. It's important to enable us to leverage our skills and abilities and expand our positive influence in the world. We need money to go to the doctor, to provide for our physical and emotional needs, and to help others. More than anything, money is a powerful lever that gives us the leverage we need to expand the meaning of our lives. Remember that most of a wealthy lifestyle is simply a choice that we make about how we are going to live each day. I encourage you to choose now to begin living all the facets of a really wealthy lifestyle today. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. We would love to hear what you think is a crucial part of a wealthy lifestyle, and we'll see you in the next one.